What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So real quick, as you can tell by the title, I'm actually going to be dropping the G8 off to get tuned. It's tuned currently, but since I installed the headers on it, they're catless, and my previous setup was catted, so I keep getting a check engine light thrown on it. And this new tune's also going to have some features I don't have currently. So yeah, the place I'm dropping it off isn't actually going to do the tune itself. I will be going through Rios tuning. I'll link all of his stuff in the description. It'll be tuned by Mark Rios. But the place I'm dropping it off to has my car registered already in HP tuners from when the LS3 was swapped in it. So I figured I might as well just save the money, not have to get a whole new HP tuners kit with credits, and just drop it off with them and have them work with Mark on tuning it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to go ahead and head to their shop and drop it off. Alright guys, I'm here at the shop, Peterson Performance and Repair. If you guys are in Colorado, I really highly recommend these guys. Not paid or sponsored at all or anything. They just do really good work. They're the ones who swapped in my LS3 on the G8. That was about 2 years ago, and it's been reliable and hasn't had any issues since, so shout out to them. Look what else they got over here, man. This nice GT350. This is like my dream car. I fucking really love these cars. The only thing like I'm a little bit weary about is I heard the Voodoo motors are known to explode. So yeah, I don't know about that, but I love these cars, dude. They're so awesome. And then they also have a C5 Z06 over there. Looks really nice. It's got the same looking wheels as I do. And then there's a fucking G35 coupe. I actually really like those. I was looking when I was living in the dorms. When I was in the Air Force, I was wanting to get one of those. Couldn't find any, but yeah, those are really nice. So yep, gonna leave the car here. Peterson Performance and Repair. Shout out to them again. Look them up on YouTube. They have a YouTube channel and everything. Not sponsored. Just thought I'd share a pretty dope company.
Low battery.
Jesus Christ. Alright guys, I don't know if you heard that. My bitch was chopping for a second. That literally sounded cammed. I'll probably have to take it back for a quick little revision on that. That's happened before. Jesus. Alright guys, I got the car back. I actually got it back yesterday. I just drove it straight home. I let her open up just a couple of times, so I haven't gotten to play around with it that much, but so far it feels pretty good. The only issue I see right now is on cold starts, it fucking it chops like it's fucking cammed, and that happened before on the previous tune, and I just had to take it back to them and Mark fix some shit. I don't know if it's like with the fueling or what, but I have to let him know about that, because right there it was pretty bad. But other than that, transmission shifts really quick now. I mean, I did that before just because it was tuned by him before as well, but it shifts pretty quick. And the feature that I was telling y'all about that I was getting added, so now if I slap this over into manual mode and like I manually downshift it on wide open throttle, it'll automatically upshift, so I don't have to, you know, use this to upshift, and I don't have to slap it back. So I'm gonna be testing that out. I already did yesterday, and it felt pretty good. I did a 40 roll in second gear, and it auto upshifted, no problem. If you guys own anything with a 6L80, your best bet is to hold on. Your best bet is to either downshift it and do it that way, or roll into it, because if you just stomp on the gas and try to do a wide open throttle pull from multiple gears, the 6L80 gets really confused and could break some shit. At least that's what my tuner told me, and I also reached out to a couple other people and they confirmed that. So yeah, if you guys got a 6L80, just either roll into it or downshift, and then if you don't have that feature, you can just slap it back over. But I'm gonna get a quick little roll right here. Yeah, man, it feels pretty good. Shifting on that was pretty smooth, felt really good. This car is absurdly fucking loud. Yeah, man, she feels pretty good. It felt good before. I mean, it was tuned by Mark before, so the tune I had before that, when I had the original motor with the stroker setup, was okay, but the redline was like really low. It was at like 6,000. This is now at 65 or 67 or something like that. Yeah, man. That sounds pretty good. Let me slow down to 40. Alright, so downshift, third, second, and now I'm just gonna floor it. Holy fuck, man. That was that was quick. That fucking threw me in my seat. Damn. Good job, Mark. She feels great. I'm gonna slap her back over. I have traction on still. Oh man. Yeah, man. If you guys needing your cars tuned, I believe he does LS and LTs. I have his stuff linked in the description. Hit up Mark. He's got great customer service, and he'll listen to what you want and stuff. And really good guy. Fast responses and good communication. And highly recommend him. So shout out to him for tuning this. Car feels awesome. And right now I don't really have any complaints except just that cold start. That the cold start was a little sketchy, but I mean it was like that before I got it fixed, so it's not that big of a deal. After it idled up and everything sounds fine. It's just that cold start. Ooh, nice M2. He was hauling. This thing's pretty dangerous, man. Alright. I'm gonna do a quick dig. From the brake. Oh, still fast. Alright, I'm gonna do one more 40 roll since this is good real estate. Damn, that bitch is quick. Yeah, man, 40-year-olds feel pretty good. I think I'm just gonna wrap it up here while I'm driving. I don't really have any other thoughts. Shout out to Peterson Performance and Repair again for helping me with getting it tuned by Mark. Y'all are legit. If you guys are in Colorado Springs area or even in Colorado, like at all, definitely recommend going to them for any of your performance needs or even repairs. They did the alternator on my TSX when I spent fucking 5 hours trying to do it. So yeah, cool guys, and they do good work. And then again, shout out to Mark at Rios Racing. I'm gonna link all of his stuff in the description so you guys can check him out because he does some really good work, and car feels great now. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. That'll just about do it for this one, and I will catch you in the next episode.